Hello, welcome to Arlene's Kitchen. So I'm gonna do some chow mein. So I'm gonna be cutting up my onions, peppers, green peppers, I'm gonna cut my hands. Oh, some of them is falling off on the counter. So I have the water on to boil for the chow mein. Turn up the stove on the pot. Turn up the stove on the pot. This is some hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, put that there, and then I have my cabbage, gonna place it in the pan. So the water has been boiled for the chow mein. I'm cutting up the cabbage, the carrot, the pepper, green pepper, onion, red pepper. And I'm gonna put some, oh, it's boiling up, so I'm gonna move it over. The water is boiling. Got the chow mein in the pot. It's falling all over. I think that's enough I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna use all of it. Just gonna let it boil. So it's boiling. My mom is gonna be watching this for me while I cut up the. So I put a little bit of oil and some salt in the pot. Gonna come back over and cut up my carrot. This knife is. I don't want to cut my fingers. Put the carrot with the cabbage there. While the chow mein is being boiled. My board fell right off. My sink is clean. Making a mess here. Okay. Now that the chow mein has been boiled, let's see. I also have some carrot juice today. Got the glass jug. While that is being boiled, I'm just gonna blend some carrot juice that I made. Just gonna smooth it out. To make sure it's pureed now. So I'm just gonna pour it in this glass jug. have some water that goes boiled with it. Where is a spoon? The wooden spoon. Gonna put some rose and almond in it, about a 2 teaspoon. I'm just judging this. About 2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using this vanilla essence. Gonna grate my nutmeg in here. About a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm just gonna put some sugar. Do you want sugar in yours or no? Oh, you want yours sugar?
Sugar.
My mom doesn't want any milk, so I'm just gonna pour some sugar. I think that should be enough sugar. Then I'll let her throw hers out. Be reddish soon. Okay, I have some nutrients. Rinse the cover off of my nutriment. So my mom doesn't want any milk in hers, so I'm gonna pour hers out. Then I have the nutriment, the chow mein. So I'm gonna add some nutriment in. And then I'm gonna have some condensed milk. I have some condensed milk that I have poured in the bottle, and I had it in the fridge. So I'm just gonna add about 2 teaspoons or so. and my taste, my sweetness. It's thick. About, I think that should do it. Mix that up, and there you have it, some carrot juice. You could put a little tip of cinnamon. I'm just judging this. Put a little teaspoon of cinnamon just for the taste. And there you have it. The carrot juice is ready. Just gonna mix it out. Just get the milk down. I'm gonna go back now and do the chow mein. Get the wrap. Do the saran wrap. Gonna turn on the pot. It's gonna strain the chow mein. Let me get the other stuff that I'm gonna use for the chow mein. That one will take it out of the pot. So I have my chow mein strained, and I have the pot on to put the chow mein. Hold this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. You have to hold it so you can see. Hold this up now. I have my mom here. I'm waiting for the pot to be hot to put the cabbage, the carrot, the onion, the green pepper, and to saute a bit. Then I put in my noodles. I'm gonna pour it in. So I'm gonna add some Maggi season. Some black pepper. A little bit of seasoning salt. Just gonna give it a stir. So the colors are really nice and flavored. So the colors are nice. And I don't want it to be too soft. I want my season to be a little bit crunchy, not too soft. I'm gonna add the noodles now. That I boiled and strained off. And I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Some soy sauce. Just for a little flavor. I'm gonna stir it up now. Gonna mix it up. Okay, it's gonna cover it for a bit. It's gonna finish cook the pork.